The greater Prescott area is growing at a quick pace. New home building is occurring in Prescott, Prescott Valley, Chino, and Dewey. Keeping track of new build projects can sometimes be a daunting task. RLC Design Services would like to help builders in the Prescott area keep up with the day-to-day changes on their job sites. You can't always be on the ground, but RLC Design and AZ Drone can keep you up to date through still image productions, video progression reports, and even job site 3D modeling. Drone construction progression monitoring is a growing industry across the U.S. Flying job sites on a daily, weekly, or monthly schedule can show all parties involved what's changing on their job sites in almost real time. Using automated flight tools, your job locations can be monitored on a regular schedule through video, still imaging, and more. Collected data can be shared with your survey engineers, construction crews, and other interested parties as well. To learn more about RLC Design and azdrone.net and what we can bring to your current and future construction projects, please feel free to get in touch with us today. Drone images and video aren't just for your final real estate marketing campaign. They can be of great value the moment you pour your concrete for a new home site and track the progress from the start of that site all the way through completion. Get in touch with RLC Design and ArizonaDrone.net today. We'd love to sit down and discuss your aerial needs for your current and future construction projects. You can email us at rich@rlcdesign.net, or you're welcome to give a call weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. to schedule a free consultation and assessment of your aerial imaging and data needs. Call 603-475-5885, and we'll look forward to talking to you in the very near future.